Okay, guys, I got a nice place I want you to see today.
Are you serious?
Is that from the Wizard of Oz? I got back, Evan's got front.
So just step next to the stringer.
Be careful, careful.
Thank
Okay,
you.
Good job.
Come on, Keith.
Hey, what up? Look at how huge this porch is.
Oh, this is
How
nice.
nice this is, too.
I want to put like a little table out here and some rocking chairs.
Oh, that would be so cute.
Wow.
Not too shabby.
Cove ceiling's in good shape. It's a nice sized living room. The wood floors are wonderful. I love the big windows out to the porch.
Good light.
Great light. I love it. So far, so good. Maybe one of the best ones we've seen in a long time.
Big dining room.
I love the built-in. This is great.
Oh, wow, cool.
Right? Little built-in hutch, add some character.
The original medallion.
Medallions,
Oh, yeah.
nice.
I love that built-in. We'll definitely have to keep that. That's
Yeah.
really
With
nice.
all the pane still intact.
Yeah, that's
Oh, yeah.
crazy. There's
All
not
the
a
glass
broken
is
glass.
still there. Fun.
Wow.
I love this. Such charm. The kitchen is a wee bit small, I must say. Oh boy, here we go. All right. All right, it's not the worst I've seen. Layout-wise, this is pretty nice. You know, it's not like the biggest.
I mean, I think this style of house, it's okay to have like a more traditional layout, you know?
This is an old house built in the 20s, so the kitchens weren't that big. But even for that time frame, the kitchen is larger than most.
This is a huge bathroom.
This is a big bathroom.
Again, I kind of like the white and black situation going on.
I love the floor.
What if
I don't
it can be
see
saved?
Cracks in it. I think that's a scuff.
There's a huge hole.
Yeah, there's a nice hole open there. This is
Paneling,
my
okay.
favorite.
Yeah.
There is not. What? This is massive.
This is big.
This is wild. Like, it literally feels like a completely different house.
It's because this used to be a two-family flat, so it actually was like two separate dwellings.
It's gonna have to be gutted down to the studs, though, for sure. And then reconfigured completely.
This is a very nice size room up here. I want to look at that room. What is that?
That'll
This
be
is a bathroom.
layout challenge.
It's a nice size
Okay.
bathroom, but it's a strange location, I must say.
It's kind of crazy, like, this is just like a blank slate. You can kind of do whatever you want up here.
I agree.
So the fun thing about this house is there's a lot of charm. The little built-in in the dining room is cute. The bathroom tile is really cute. So I'm thinking if we play off some of those like traditional bungalow Detroit style things, we can like kind of really take it back to its original glory. So maybe do it like the classic Detroit house.
Classic
Like-
Detroit, just like me. Classic Detroit.
So if we change it to 4-2, and we make these two really nice size bedrooms, what do you think we could sell it for?
So currently the homes in the area are selling for about $100 per square foot. But with this being converted to a 4-bedroom, which most homes in this area are 3, I would say we can easily list that at least $140.
You're gonna spend probably 100.
So we would have a max all-in of 110, including the purchase price of 10,000.
And that's a steal.
I like it. Let's get an offer in like ASAP because
Yay.
I don't know how many people would say no to this deal.
Resubmit an offer.
All right.
Booyah.
Good job, Shay.
Good job, Shay.
Good job, Shay.
I really love the classic style of this house, but an old kitchen is an absolute no-go. We will update it with countertops on either side of the room, flip the fridge around, add some classic tile, just generally make it way more functional and beautiful. Can you just help me? I don't like that.
Do you think we can save this floor?
I don't know.
Should we go look at the floor in the basement to see if it's good?
Yeah, have fun. I'm gonna start knocking this out. Finishing up some framing. Here's a piece of wood for you. Why, thank you. So we're at the Detroit house today, finishing up some framing. We have taken an awkward 3-bedroom, 2-bath ex-duplex and converted it into a 4-bedroom, 2-bath, quite livable house. This is such a huge room. So this house has got a lot of drywall work suddenly needed. We framed in 2 extra spaces. A lot of the houses that we do have most of the drywall kind of intact, so that phase of the job really can go quickly, usually, sometimes. So the Detroit house is moving along, the windows are in, the siding's done. Now we're down to fixing the collapsing porch.
Kind of using the old elements of the house with new elements, but keeping that classic Detroit feel.
The porch is like the mustache of the house. And if it is well groomed, people will take rides.
I'm not particularly well groomed today.
All right, so we've officially framed out everything on the house, which, lucky for us, means we can finally start to dive into the design, and I am very excited because I have a fabulous mosaic tile that I can't wait to use.
Do you know how to lay this pattern out?
Yeah, I'm laying it out.
How does it actually go?
You see, it goes like this.
So if you have another one.
Hey. Oh my gosh.
Nice.
Isn't that stunning?
I think it's a nice little play off of classic Detroit mosaics. So it's just gonna be like one direction, right?
Yeah.
Like the band.
Ah, very funny. All right, let's get some mastic. I can't stand any more of your dad jokes. And
Oh, am I finally in the age where I can do dad jokes?
Yeah.
That's fun.
Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. So the challenge is to get as many cabinets in this space as absolutely possible, which we have achieved. I was loving the house on the walkthrough for sure because of the size, but the kitchen was kind of lacking. There really wasn't enough space to open it up to the dining room without eliminating cabinets, and what gain you would have on the small opening would kind of defeat the purpose. Hurry up! Nice job. Ceiling medallion never came into the dining room. Where is it? Oh, there you are.
Did she order it?
Has it come in? Have you heard?
No.
We are finishing up a lot of details. We're painting the front door. I'm just in love with this color. This is such a Detroit green. Getting the deck finished up.
Putting the sink in.
I'm so excited what the guys have done with the classic Detroit house. Honestly, I feel like it's one of their best homes yet. Besides the front yard, of course. But I do have faith that they'll work it out in time for the open house.
Bring Bo next time.
Will
Or don't
do.
come at all.
Come with baby or not at all.
What do we have left in there? So the punch list to get the house completely ready for the open house is, except for the path and the yard work and the mulch, most of the house is in really good shape. The kitchen is wrapped up. The bathrooms are finalizing as we speak, which is great, except for the things that are on the list happen to be the most gigantic. All right, let's finish this house out.
So we bought this house for $10,000. We spent right around $100,000 on the renovation, and we are listing it for $165,000.
Gosh, this is
Hi, ladies.
beautiful.
This is
Hi there.
beautiful.
This house went from damn to damn. The entire house is absolutely gorgeous. I think this is one of my faves.
I love what they've done
This
to
is
this
a
house.
beautiful color. I just like the size of the house, too.
It is
I
a
like
big
large
house.
homes.
This looks perfect to just sit and chill for a while.
Exactly.
We have never had a porch like this one.
This is definitely the nicest house on the block.
It is a showstopper.
You did great.
Okay, ladies, let's check it out.
I can't wait.
Welcome to the Detroit house.
This is incredible.
Oh, wow. This is really nice. So cozy.
Oh, thank you.
So cozy. Yeah.
That's my #1 goal.
Yes.
Cozy.
The art is unreal.
I love the pine cones.
So he actually collected these pine cones. You see that large tree out front? They
Yeah.
come from that tree.
Oh, that's
You have to be very
He
creative.
is so creative.
So let's check out the dining room. You're gonna love it.
Oh, my
I
gosh,
like
look at this.
So you did keep a lot of features. I could tell that because it looks like my grandmother's home.
Do you recognize that?
Obviously, that is a beautiful space.
And I see that's a Shinola.
Yes, so actually this is Evan original.
Oh,
Evan is a really good photographer and he took this.
He did a great job.
He surely
agree.
did. I really love it.
And we built the table. It was a journey.
Yeah, that's unreal.
Thank you.
I can't wait to see the rest.
There's more to see. Follow me, ladies.
Okay.
Wow.
This feels so good.
Oh, look what he's done to the drawers.
I just like the black and white theme throughout.
I have never seen this, but it is nice.
And this is a spacious kitchen, too.
It is, and it's crazy because it didn't feel this large before.
Oh, my God.
And what is this countertop called again?
It's a herringbone pattern.
Yeah, the countertops, the wood here is beautiful.
And I love the floor, too.
I love these floors.
It's not original, but it feels kind of like the Detroit mosaics.
You guys have really brought back the real feel. This is how a Detroit home's supposed to feel. Just feels like I just want a cup of tea. I just want to go in my kitchen. Let's just have a cup.
So ladies, check out this bathroom.
Oh, my gosh. This is lovely.
That is beautiful. This is nice, and look at the floor.
So this floor is
This is the
original.
original. I was about to say that.
And this
I was
was
about to say
actually
that.
Keith and Evan's inspiration for the
really?
design.
Because you've seen this floor in a lot of Detroit homes.
Exactly. In old Detroit buildings, you see this
wow.
tile.
I love that. Keeps it very Detroit, very Detroit. I love it.
Nice. All right, well, let's see upstairs.
Come on up, guys.
Wow. This
is such a cute little space.
You can check out the bathroom, which again, we went with the mosaic for the floor to try
I
and
love that.
harken back to the Detroit.
Bringing that in.
The shower tile is incredible. That looks so beautiful.
All right, let's see some giant bedrooms.
Let's do it.
Wow, this is beautiful. Look how big this room is.
This is a lot of space.
Not to mention, I think another Evan original.
Another
yeah.
Evan
Yes.
original.
Hey, beautiful.
So good.
You know, this is the heart of Detroit. John Iron Woodward. Oh, this is beautiful.
Well, let's check out the bedroom next door. It's even larger.
That mural, unreal.
Wow,
Look at
this
that
is beautiful.
backdrop. Don't tell me he did that too.
Oh, my
I actually did this.
Yeah.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Yeah. Okay.
So Detroit obviously has a lot of French influence.
You're in the city, but in this room, you can escape the city a little bit.
This is fit for a queen.
Okay, so you ready to sign?
Yes, we're ready to sign.
Okay.
Yes.
Based on the reaction of today's buyers, This will be a multiple offer situation. We can consider this home sold.
I'm glad you like it.
I do. I love it. And I have to thank you for living up to what it means to be Detroit. I always think of the motto, the Latin that's on our flag. It says, "We hope for better things that shall rise from the ashes." And honestly, I think that's what you're doing with every one of these places because
nice.
of...
Look at you right now.
Hey.
I love that.
Well, thank you very much.
Honestly, it's because of you and generations of people like you that Detroit is what it is today.
That's
and
true.
why it has that reputation of resilience and perseverance. So